What? 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 I swear to God. Oh my God, don't do it again. Don't.
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on. Wake up. It's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Hey, Kylo, can I tell you something?
Mm.
You know how we have this quarantine?
Mm.
And we've been working from home?
Mm.
Well, I have some bad news.
Mm.
We have to go back.
Mm.
I know. Eventually. I don't know when, but eventually.
Oh my God, Tony. Tony, watch out. Don't move.
Toshi!
Why is it spicy?
是谁猜的？啊？谁？
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my goodness.
Come here. Come here. Who did that? Is that you? Who did that?
Parkour! Michael, parkour!
Oh my God. So I just got finished crying because I learned a fact about everyone's dogs. You're going to want to hear this. So, you know when you're trying to go to the bathroom and they keep trying to like nose their way in, or they're always like standing at the door and you're always like, like I'm trying to go to the bathroom by myself. Apparently, when like wolves and wild dogs, they protect one another while one goes to the bathroom, because when you're going to the bathroom, you're like vulnerable. So they like stand guard. They'll be next to you to make sure that no one attacks you. So basically, I'm part of his pack, and he's just trying to protect me. And it makes
Only time his bitch ass want to listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy? This what you want? Huh? Here.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
All right, we got our ready whip. Good boy. Does not like to be shot at. Sit.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
I know you're really upset. I can see the weather. You still have to go out. All doggies pee in the rain. Well, what are your options? Where else are you going to go to the bathroom? You really want to sit on the toilet? You know what? I think that's a great idea, but I'm going to record it because it would make a really funny TikTok video. I wasn't trying to be rude. I was just trying to be a little bit funny. Sorry, Petey.
So if you give a dog an egg, they're supposed to be gentle with it. So...
Let me see. Get back. No, man, no!
Alright, I'm sorry, Dash, but this is what it takes to be TikTok famous. I really don't want to do this to you, but one...
Noah, you throw that dog in the pool and tell Dad where you went last night.
You freaking lucky dog.
Hey. Hey. You making a mess, bro. Oh, my Atlanta. Help me.
It's the final brain cell.
My mom is mad at me because she tried allowed to go to the beach anymore.
Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick-ass boy. Damn.
We bought Chi-Chi some shoes. Go ahead, Chi-Chi.
I would like pet him, but he looks like kind of.
He's real nice. You can pet him. He's super fun.
Oh, it's so. I really think it's really gross. I'm sorry. It's really fucking gross.
He's nasty.
He's really fucking gross looking. I'm so sorry, but I do not want to touch that fucking dog. Dude, he looks like a fucking baked potato.
We call him the meat spud.
Dude, oh my god. I touched him once and he feels like if a ball sack came to life.
Unbelievable. No. What are you doing? So now I can't even put stuff up there? I'm looking right at you.
I would like to thank you for guarding me while I poop. You took a job that nobody wanted, and you really stepped up to the plate. I salute you.
Oh.
You're not allowed to have that. You don't know us from a hole in the wall. You're just walking around eating people's buns.
Buddy, you gotta let go.
Don't let go. I won't let go.
Murphy.
Who's most likely to doggy daycare edition? Who's most likely to jump a fence? Who is most likely to pee on somebody? Who will start talking soon? Who is most likely to sleep all day? Who is your shadow? Who is most likely to take a bath in a water bowl? Who is most judgmental? Who is most likely to steal some treats? Who is the funniest? Who would be the best parent? Who is the biggest drama queen?
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dorino singing.
Oh,
Dory.
I love to